Host, welcome to our channel, where we show you how to make delicious and healthy dishes from around the world. Today, we will be showing you how to prepare juicy and flavorful chicken breasts in a simple and easy way. Cut to a shot of the host in a kitchen setting. Host, to prepare chicken breasts, you'll need boneless, skinless chicken breasts, olive oil, garlic, salt, pepper, and any other desired seasonings. Cut to a shot of the host preparing the chicken breasts. Host, start by pounding the chicken breasts to an even thickness, which ensures that they cook evenly. Season the chicken breasts with salt, pepper, and any other desired seasonings. Cut to a shot of the host cooking the chicken breasts. Host, heat a pan over medium-high heat and add a small amount of olive oil. Add minced garlic and cook until fragrant. Then, add the chicken breasts to the pan and cook for 6-7 minutes per side, or until they're cooked through and no longer pink in the center. Cut to a shot of the host presenting the finished chicken breasts. Host, now it's time to plate the chicken breasts. Serve them with your favorite sides like roasted vegetables or a simple salad for a healthy and delicious meal. Cut to a shot of the host taking a bite of the chicken breasts. Host, these chicken breasts are juicy and packed with flavor. The garlic and seasonings really bring out the natural flavor of the chicken. Cut to a shot of the host presenting the finished dish. Host, thank you for watching our video on how to prepare chicken breasts. We hope you try this recipe at home and enjoy this healthy and tasty dish. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delicious and easy recipes from around the world.